Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel, The Random Explorer.
And the Creators Club.
Oh, yeah, right, the Creators Club as well. So this is a long time due video. From the title you already know what it is about. So we have made this DIY fire pit. It has costed us only $10. Okay, so let's directly dive in the video and yeah, you don't always have to
Oh,
dive.
sorry, dive in the video, right? I thought
Yeah.
dive in the fire pit.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start the video and show you how exactly this can be done. It's very easy, and mainly this fire pit you can use it indoors. So this is a very
Smokeless,
yeah
indoor friendly fireplace.
yeah
Fire pit.
yeah. So this is really cool. Your smoke detectors won't go on with this. So yeah, let's start.
Said that, do not lit it unattended.
Yeah. Okay guys, so let's start. So we have already used it for a couple of months, so ours is little black, but when you buy it will be all brand new. So this is all the things that you will need. Firstly, you'll need one basket.
And how
And
much is this for?
this we got for $3, I guess. Yeah, again, this is for $3. This is just a ceramic normal pot.
Yeah, no,
That you will
any
need
planter
to
pot, ceramic pot.
yeah. And one, you will need a steel basket, something like this we got for $1, or like
one and a half dollar.
$1.50. So you'll need something, a steel thing that should be that should go inside this pot. So
Because,
this will
that this will be
the main this will be the
container for our fluid, for our
yeah
ethanol.
yeah. And apart from that, you'll need these kind of sponge. So this is like a flower planter sponge only, and some of the pebbles. You can use any pebbles. We got this from Dollarama only.
For aesthetics,
Yeah, right. And you'll need ethanol.
Yeah, so
yeah.
these are like specialized for fireplace. Otherwise, you can also, if these are not available, you can also go for a normal rubbing alcohol. Make sure it's around 40 to 70%, because this is like 99%. So 40 to 70%, it will keep your flame low and enjoyable.
Correct, yeah. So now let's assemble. It's very easy. This basket, you can use any basket in round shape, rectangle, square, whatever you like. If you have some round container, you can even use that. So all you have to do is take a ceramic pot, place it inside, and yeah, the height should be, whatever this basket you're using, the height should be lower to the pot that is there. And inside it will be like your steel bucket that will go inside this. So fit this. Next step,
Take this, what you say, this
planter sponge.
Okay, planter sponge.
Yeah, so all you have to do is you just have to place everything inside.
We are making it as a filler so that you don't have to use these stones more. So it's just,
And if you want, you can directly even use the use the stones. But this is like Harsh said, it will act as a filler.
How much is this for?
This costed us $1 or $1.50 only. Yeah. Okay, so like this, your whole basket is ready. It should be like filled. So now the stones will just cover it over here, and you don't need to fill everything. Most interesting part, start adding the stones.
It's a very crucial and critical part of the fire pit making. Okay? Because we need to make it aesthetically good.
Hardly this will just take your 10 minutes, I guess, not even more than that.
And the last and the most important step, lit the fire pit. So you can use any of your matchstick or a burner, or even like a candle burner, and just candle lighter, and just insert it and start it. It takes a while sometimes, and then your fire pit is ready.
This really looks very cool, guys.
Right. And see, right now, because we are using a proper fireplace ethanol, that's why the fire is not going more up. If by chance you are using 70% and the fire is going way above higher in there, then you can just take any of a steel lead and just cut off like this, and you should be able to enjoy it properly. And now, if you don't want it altogether, you can just completely shut it off and close the fire, close the oxygen access, and the fire will be gone. Magic. Poof. And yeah, more important step, don't forget to enjoy the crackling noise. ASMR.
Enjoy, guys. Do like, share, and subscribe, and share it with everyone who wants to enjoy this. Like, when you're having some cold days or in any country, it can be enjoyed.
Yeah,
So,
and press the bell icon for the notification so that we can give you more such tips.
Yeah. See you in the next video.